And the next exit is exit 32. Take a right. Hey, I got something that I've never done before. And we went to Las Vegas last weekend to a licensing show. Because when I took over the company, it didn't really have too much merch, it had no apparel. So we actually started looking at maybe partnering with another company. So we spent the week going to this licensing show and meeting with various companies. And probably one of the most significant things that happened almost at every meeting was that people recognized Easyriders. And at one point, we sat down in a lounge to take a break, and the guy across from us was a toy manufacturer from Northern England. Knew nothing about motorcycles, but he knew Easyriders. So it was really fascinating. So we met a lot of people, and then we come away from it with several meetings. Then one guy said, "Oh, yeah, I worked with Jesse James." So I called Jesse James, and Jesse works with an apparel company. And Jesse immediately made us an offer. So that was really kind of cool. We'll see what happens next on it. This is just one of those transitions in trying to rebuild this company that we have to learn about and feel out and see how we can do going forward. But the last week was really significant and hooking up with Jesse. So we'll see what goes on. So we'll bring you the latest news about this every week. So don't forget to like and share. And of course, you must subscribe to Easy Riders Magazine. This is Keith Ball. I'm the editor and janitor of Easy Riders Inc. And I was weed whipping yesterday. So I was doing my chores. Thank you.